Hi, my name is Tara. I completed my Bachelor of Social Work in 2005, and I've since been working in a hospital in the medical social work field. I have experience working with people of all ages as well as their family members and from different socioeconomic and cultural backgrounds who typically require assistance accessing community resources and oftentimes medical follow-up care. Although I have been out of school for quite some time, I am interested in advancing myself in the social work profession and have decided to pursue a master's degree so that I can be given the opportunity to possibly pursue other career paths either in my current profession or possibly in other areas of the profession that I don't have experience in yet. So I'm excited to be here. Thank you, and I wish you all luck on your journey as well.